Ben, you are muted again.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Smart Money, no, not Smart Money, Quick Scan live session. Today, we're going to be trading live in the markets. And of course, I have with me Raffa. Raffa, how you doing?
I'm doing good, but a hard time for crypto and Bitcoin. So the first week of February has turned completely red. And yeah, Ben, in a phase like this, do you prefer looking for gradual entries or you're staying completely flat?
I'm still waiting for it to drop even further. I just have this feeling that something is just gonna pop very quickly, and then we get a nice relief. But yeah,
So we must be ready.
we must be ready.
We must be ready.
I was checking the scanner, the new one, And it looks like the longs are doing okay today.
Mm-hmm.
So we might be looking for longs today.
Yeah.
Now, when I was just running it, then I gave it a little bit too much, but and I crashed the servers. that's why it's not live yet, but
Much
I'm
better.
using it already, and yeah. So currently no, it doesn't really. 5 minutes is really good, actually. Yeah, 3 minutes is now also good. Let me see if I can. Wait, let me add it. Yep. So now I can drag it in. Got this new shiny Altrady scanner. So yeah, we can see currently, and this is with the top 10 coins. Top 10 coins are doing okay. So let's hope that the rest is doing it in a similar fashion, and then we can, yeah, longs and shorts, it's quite similar. I mean, if we add, this is how I crashed the server before, so I'll try it again. It's doing 462 calculations on, well, 462 markets with thousands of calculations. Yeah, we see here, long is the clear winner. Shorting the smaller markets, probably not such a good idea. So yeah, we're gonna be looking for longs. So we'll add the profitable ones to the scanner and subscribe live. And we're getting some alerts. Oversold. That means that we have long opportunities. Nice. Isn't this what we like to see? I mean, we're not even a few minutes with the scanner on, and it's already finding us a nice position. Or at least, the scanner.
Finally, it's back.
It is back, but not
I
live.
missed it. I missed it for the whole week.
How did your session go, Raffa? Ooh, I was too early, I think. Yeah. And a stop loss. Yeah, I needed to wait for the candle close. That's actually the better place to be. Yeah, because this is out. Okay. Great.
Okay, first trade done. Yeah.
But it's not over yet. It's not over yet. We can redeem ourselves, but we're starting out really well.
This was just last night.
That's wah, 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 wah. Oh yeah, I have one for those. Let's start with let's do it properly this time. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait, and then I just forget to pay attention to the actual things that I need to pay attention to. Like this one needs to be properly good. This one needs to be there, and yeah, we need to see some kind of recovery. This is just like buying here. That's what I just did. So silly.
Yeah.
So
Sort of.
silly. Oh well. It's always good to start with your back against the wall and then come out swinging, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, I missed. I was gonna show you the PAX G trade last week.
Oh yeah.
Because yeah, what happened, or what I said would happen, happened.
So we have some screenshot that show
Yeah, I've got the live chart
our
open in a minute,
community
so
that
I'll show that.
the band draw was right. Quite risky, this trade.
Yeah, but we see some kind of recovery here forming. We needed to look for that that little curvy thingy. I have it here, so we need to see something like that. And I don't see that yet. So, but this trade is looking nice. Like, I don't want to walk away from it. But we'll see. Well, let's go to PaxG from last week. Yeah. So here, can we go back to 15 minutes and see a little bit better? Yeah. So what I said is that when you do trailing, at some point, the trailing stop gets too close. And because we had the stop loss initially somewhere around here. But then with the trailing, the stop loss moved up, but just didn't. I mean, it was break even here already, like even a nice profit right here. But because I wasn't managing it, I wasn't paying attention. Like later in the evening, it got closed by a move in trading stop loss, and it just went all the way there. Like it would have been massive profit if I hadn't sold. But hindsight, like it's about managing it properly, right? And when you do 3 minute scalping in an hour, that can be quite of a problem if the market behaves like that. And last week was crazy, right?
Yeah.
Gold at the all-time high, then come crashing down. Hey, we see some kind of bottom forming.
Yeah, I was also saying the same thing. Bitcoin is tanking, so be careful with longs. Yeah, he's falling like a knife. So we are under 68,500.
Bitcoin's been dropping the whole day, hasn't it?
Yeah, but it is accelerating now, especially now.
Of course, because we're trading. Hey, wow, we actually get a trade. The 3 minute BTC trade. That's an interesting one. Shall we just take it for the lols?
Yeah.
If we can get it good. I mean, it's quite good. Just give it a little bit more room. Nope. Nope, we're going further. Wow, we have 2 trades. We have IO and we have Bitcoin now. The only issue with Bitcoin is that the percentage are a little bit lower, but okay. Although I say that today, I don't know.
Sell-off continues relentlessly.
Yeah, I mean, the recoveries are usually happening in the second part of the live stream, isn't it?
Yeah. Take notes. So maybe the first 30 minutes we go short, and then the next 30 minutes we go long for the next live. I mean, it's the same pattern is keep repeating week by week. What? Oh, okay.
Okay.
I thought your curve was the Bollinger Band. So
No.
It looks quite weird.
Similar. It's similar, but no.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, we could see if there's some shorts at the moment. Hide. Go away. Let's see. Oversold? No, it's all crashing. It all comes crashing down. Bitcoin still crashing? I don't think we ever, like, I mean, we already took one trade, but that was a silly one. way too early, way too eager. It's like, get it. But yeah, I don't
Oh my
think we
god, look at this move. 8 red candles. 8 red consecutive.
Yeah, this is very good. I mean,
Yeah.
it's shaping up to be a nice recovery.
Nice setup for a long entry. Yeah.
I mean, we could even make Bitcoin like our. Let's do that. Let's make Bitcoin our scaler. Get the nice fair value gap right there.
Ooh, first time we trade Bitcoin on the scalping session. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice price action for scalping. For a scalp.
It's just a question whether or not we're going to get filled, but you know what? I'm not gonna wait for it. To please. Oh yeah, that's the problem. Bitcoin. Okay.
Oh, nice.
So let's see. Do we have some? I was going to say, do we have some support and resistance here? But no.
It's totally empty.
Yeah. This chart has been going up and up and up and up. Yeah, I mean, if we have to look at the daily, then
Yeah.
I mean, daily we have this little bit here.
I mean, the daily candle on Bitcoin is minus 7% already. So it's a big drop, minus 70% on the daily candle.
Yeah. So I guess we can just set it to like maybe 2% lower. A little bit of the width of the Bollinger Band. Oh, IO might be recovering as well. Yep. And we'll do this one there. Okay, let's try it. Redemption.
Ooh, good sign. Good sign of rebounds. So like this scenario band reminds you of any past phase on Bitcoin, like this sell-off.
Yeah. Yeah, this feels like 2021 again.
2021 again.
Yeah, last bull run, or last, like the first part of the bear market. This is like it. And then you get a nice little relief. And then you think, oh, we're back in business, but nah. Open positions. We've got 2 open positions.
Personally, I have noticed that smart money seems to be accumulating positions over the counter right now. But while like ETF, they are recording significant outflows on Bitcoin. So retail traders and like some institutions are liquidating position at loss, but smart money already are stepping in. So it's a good discount zone. Okay. So we are above the break even already.
Oh yeah, both of them are in profit.
So you doubled the size on the second long?
No, I did not. It's the same size.
So why the break even is so low?
Oh, that's a new position.
So the break even is only on the second position. It's not.
It's only on the green. You can see it like this is green and this is blue and purple. So they're not in this position. If I select it right here, now I
Okay.
can see that this one is there and then it doesn't have a break even.
Okay. Makes sense.
So handy. So handy. We see exactly which orders belong to which or the current position. You even have the option to disable it, by the way. If you, I don't know if you know that, but yeah, you can set it here so that you can say only show for current position. So then if we do this, then the previous ones are gone. No, we're not going to go into replay. Ooh. Small little sell-off.
Yes, on the short side.
Bitcoin. Same. But yeah, that's normal. Let's see, scanner. No, nothing yet. I mean, we're probably going to see like a lot of recoveries now. So the scanner is going to be like very, very boring. So let's see if the quick scanner will give us anything interesting, because that thing is always popping. No matter what the market does, this thing always shows you something. No, Yala's done.
Oh, Yala, I have been traded today on the Italian YouTube channel, Yala.
Did you?
Yeah. If you oh sorry, no, it was RBB, not Yala. I just get confused.
Whoa, that's a recovery. Damn.
All the charts look the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bank. Can we? Bitcoin dropping again. Yep, Bitcoin dropping again means we're probably going to lose IO. Yeah. That's unfortunate. We were in the green. But yeah. And it's, yeah, I don't know.
We risk a deeper breakdown. hard time, Ben, for
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because we're just gonna find something else that crashes. And I think we're out of IO. This one has a delayed reaction. Look at them go.
Okay. Full red list.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see if we can try again.
Bitcoin is going straight to 75K. No,
75K.
no pit stop. Oh my god.
75 or 65?
Oh yeah, 65. 65, yeah.
Are we seeing a live crash? Oh my god.
Yeah. We are definitely in a live crash. So
and we're trading it, people. We're trading it. Yep, we just bought Bitcoin. There's something weird with the WebSocket here. I'm just gonna refresh because I've got the notification on my phone already. Yeah.
Okay, the market is full in red.
Oh yeah, you also have the app open, right? With the same account.
Yeah.
Can you do a refresh as well? Because then I get the WebSocket back. I can see that. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Many people don't know that.
Sorry.
If you there's only one connection subscribing to the exchanges, and that's the one that is that's currently live. But if you already took my live session, then, or at least when I refreshed, I gave you back the session for sure.
Okay, should I close
No,
it?
no, it's fine. You're fine. It's not a massive difference. I mean, I got the notification. I know. It's right here. Is this the relief that we're looking for? Oh wait, let me just change chart patterns and go back to Bitcoin. Lovely trading view always loads the market that we're not interested in.
Come on.
Get to that fair value gap. Make our day.
It's time for a rebound.
We have an overbought as well. Nice. As the markets are crashing, let's try a short. Are we going to see it again? Are we going to see another drop?
Statistically, is quite impossible, but market always surprises.
This is crypto. This is crypto.
Yeah, but I mean, the market is in total red, not only crypto. I'm looking and checking all the other assets as well, and everything is in red. Everything, literally.
So maybe Bitcoin dominance, because that's what this is.
Bitcoin dominance?
Bitcoin's crashing. I have no idea what this is based on. We don't even have details for it. Maybe it's completely wrong to do Bitcoin dominance trading if it's actually tied to that and Bitcoin dropping. I don't know. And it is dangerous. Yeah, I mean, these are also saying like everything's down. We really need to look for some more shorts. Bitcoin dominance is out as well. Oh no. Yeah, we did the short there. So let's see. Let's find a nice green one. Zcoin. No, they're not there yet. I mean, otherwise my scanner would pick them up, but everything just dropped. The problem is we want to go short at the time, but this strategy does not allow us to do that. When the markets are dropping like this, when everything's dropping like this, and look at it go, what a absolute massacre everywhere. Oh, like in this case, it would actually be better to look for markets that are breaking out of their Bollinger Band. And yeah, Bitcoin dominance is done. Where are you? Oh, it's already done.
Refresh it.
Yeah. Such a shame. This was not necessary.
We should wait for a real bottom and then ride the technical bounce because it's too late for.
Yeah, I mean, anyone that would be trading, like if you would do this with real accounts, come on, you wouldn't like. I mean, this is a real account. This is real money, and we're throwing it away a little bit. We've built it up so nicely to 250, and we're down to 212 already in this insane market for the last few weeks. Actually, I wouldn't necessarily be trading. I wouldn't necessarily be scalping right now, especially not with this strategy. But we're here. We're doing it. And we're getting our asses whooped. It's nice to show that that's actually what happens if you continue to trade during these types of situations. You're better off just walking away and say, you know what, I'm going to come back late today.
Yeah, definitely today is not the right time for.
I take it was calmer this morning.
Actually, the market opened a bit nervous even this morning, but with Wall Street opening, it get more stress. So the real game is always in the afternoon. Now the sea and the storm is unpredictable.
Pretty unpredictable. Is there any news based, or is this just panic from?
No, I think it's I think it's some
the shake
overall liquidation. No news. We only had the unemployment claims at 2:30, so 2 hours ago, and it's not that really important, relevant, but yeah.
I mean, all the markets look the same. When do you enter? This is definitely not our typical session. The markets are. Yeah, I mean, just like I'm just gonna call it the strategy that we're trading right now. Don't do it now. It's not. It's not good. It's not good. We're just looking at it, but how can you trade this? Um, uh, yeah, good question. How can you trade this current strategy or this current market? Maybe. I mean, yeah, you could see some touch points on the 200 moving average. That's the whole day. That's been a good indicator for it to continue to drop further. It can't move past this 200 moving average, but now, like in this case, it's so far from its moving average. There's going to be a touch point anytime soon again, especially because it moved so fast. So that there, I put it there. Well, I mean, it's not necessarily gonna touch there, but I mean, can we see some kind of RSI divergence?
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah.
early. It is early.
Come on, we are forming a kind of ground floor for like a curve that helps the price to get up and push it above.
Yeah, I need to draw the
Yeah.
and then the
Yeah. So
because usually when I start drawing, that's
the market reacts immediately.
exactly.
Bitcoin 66666. So Romans say Bitcoin 66666.
Yeah, but it's moving back. This is the classic move, like the classic bottoming out.
Is a good trigger, means that the price is stopping, is
And
slowing down.
I'm actually going to do another gamble because that's basically what we're doing right today. Today we are a little bit gambling, and we're doing that for the lulz, which is okay. But I'm gambling that this market as well will follow Bitcoin in its rise. In the recovery part. So this one is just going to be a little bit delayed. So it's going to be bouncing around for a bit maybe. And then we're going to see move there. Yeah. That's the idea. That is the idea. So we have some time to go.
Oh, okay. Update our banner to trade.
Do we want to?
We are honest and we show.
We are honest, yes. And I don't mind. Like if we go back to wherever we came from, it's fine.
Yeah. And the market today is an anomaly, so every strategy doesn't work.
I mean, as Roman is saying, I told you today. Yeah, it is. We were discussing this yesterday, and that this was a likely scenario. Very likely scenario.
Yeah, but this setup looks great for a rebounds. Look
Hmm.
at the curve, Ben. So the price is slowing down.
Yeah, it's being
The
held up.
decline.
Like, and if everyone can help, please help.
Yeah, yeah,
We can do this.
yeah. Bounce is needed. The market can keep dropping like a knife.
Well, anything's possible in Bitcoin. But how many breaks do we have? This is a clear break. This is a clear break. We might see a third break actually. Like you can like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 breaks. But this one already had a recovery. So you have one slight recovery. It's not. Yeah, so many. This had so many candles outside the Bollinger Band. It's crazy.
Yeah, yeah. But the acceleration is much faster than the previous move. So something is not normal. Should wait for a V recover because the acceleration is too fast.
Yeah. But if you think about it, like the scanner, the backtest said that longs are favored today because the markets are dropping, which is true because it only trades outside Bollinger Bands when the markets are going down. Like we look for longs when the markets are down of the Bollinger Band. So that means that in a downward moving market, you do want to look for longs when you trade this strategy because we don't really. I mean, we can ride the full wave into back into the recovery up into an upwards move, but yeah, that's far too long. Like getting out earlier is way better, is safer, and as we have shown in the well last 6 months of last year, like the last half year, they were really good. We've only started messing up this account in the last in January.
Yeah, in the last two sessions. Like yeah, 2026.
Yeah. And the last session of the year,
Okay. Oh
particularly
yeah.
bad. And then we started January off with a very bad month. And yeah, they also do say that January sets the year, right? So
Yeah, yeah. January doesn't count. January doesn't count as like performance month, performing month.
Nayorist. Hitting my resistance on the arrow. We do get 2 trades almost in profit.
Now it's waiting time again, Ben. Just look at the chart, look at your draws, and let's wait to get the take profits.
Is anyone else trading still? Like the green crypto guy and Sven and Soda? Are you still trading? Or are you just sitting and relaxing, watching the markets crash under your eyes?
And laughing at others. Okay, well.
Bitcoin in the green. Oh, or around. Come on, stay above it.
So, what signal, Ben, would you wait for before seeing the crypto market turning bullish again?
Bullish. Well, bullish is gonna be like,
A long way.
it depends on if you're short-term bullish or long-term bullish. Like long-term bullish is not gonna be till the end of the year, really.
Mm.
And short-term bullish, Yeah, we were looking like what we discussed yesterday. We were looking at the levels of this, like 64. So and then it would be a slight relief rally. Like if we look at the higher one, like did we actually sweep anything right now? This one was the 66. So let's see if we actually hit that level. Because this was the sweep that we were looking for.
Mhm.
And if it did, and it looks like it kind of did, let's go back to 3 minutes. Yeah, just about. Just about. So it reached that level, which is a long-term support and resistance level. So we could see that this is a nice nice reversal for a short-term
Mhm. Mhm.
bullish momentum. But in order for that to happen, we do need to go like above this level at least. Like
Mhm.
you go back to 80K and sustain 80K before we can call it like a little bit of a relief rally. And where would we go to then? Doubt that high. Yeah, 80 to like maybe to 90. I mean, don't get me wrong, like this is gonna be like this is the panic. And as you see here, the panic is quite quick and the
Yeah.
recovery is super long.
Yeah.
Right? That's gonna happen here as well. It's gonna be fairly similar. I doubt it's gonna be a quick one unless there's some kind of insane impulse in news that's gonna change it. But I doubt that anything is gonna be like that. Right.
So yeah, let's see if 60K really acts as the last strong support.
Gonna move this to break even anyway. Mm. It's struggling to break out.
Yeah, first fair value gap 50 minutes is working as a wall.
Mm. Feel like this is one of those classic preemptive moves of me, like where I set the stop loss too early to break even and then miss out on the beautiful trade that I on the arrows that I've drawn. I've even drawn the arrow like that. Let's move it back. And now it's gonna be like it's gonna drop down back to this one again, of course. But I've got a few minutes left for the stream, so. And let's face it, we were already doing some gambling. Like,
I don't like this candle.
yeah, but my cup is catching it. My cup is catching it. I mean, honestly, if if this candle, if after this candle it does go up, then how did I draw that? But no, it's not. It doesn't look like.
Picasso. Okay, let me have a look on the market.
Use your crystal ball. Use your crystal ball. Are you?
Mm. Do you have one there? Share it with me.
I mean, maybe. This is an interesting candle.
Oh, Ripple minus 15%.
A Ripple minus 15%.
Yeah, Ripple is losing 15%.
Well, Ripple was doing really well. We noticed yesterday. Unlike Bitcoin, Ripple was one of the things that actually was doing okay. So I think it's just a delayed effect on that.
Yeah, it's a bit lag. Yeah, Ripple actually was one of the most performing altcoin in the previous bull run, and also it didn't drop that much compared to others. But yeah, now it's recovering all the the loss. And yeah, dollar index is rising. Such a Black Thursday. Black Thursday.
Jesus. I just ran the backtest again, and the longs are now doing so well.
Ooh.
But I do base it on a different, like it's you have already gotten out here. That's what the backtest does. I'm not entirely trading it like the backtest. I'm going for more. I'm greedy. When the backtest says you don't need to be greedy, you just need to be conservative and just go for it.
So based on the backtesting, we should be already out of the trade, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but this candle is closing with a strong green body. Now
Scanner is going crazy. Oh, it's because I didn't select. Yeah. Everything's going up. My scanner's going crazy because I'm going for all exchanges.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Finally, the bounce is coming.
I mean, come on. Look at how this was drawn.
Please take a screenshot. Oh my god, that is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. Worth that any candle.
And this was drawn here, right? This was drawn here. It's not like...
Finally, some green. I like it.
I normally don't like greens, but today I love green.
You see, the market is crashing, and we are going long.
No, I mean, right now, let me show you. Like this scanner is...
Yeah, let's show us the scanner.
Let me see. This thing is going majorly overload.
Oh my god, the least is
Yeah, let me
no
just clear
ending.
it. Let me just clear it. Ew, 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 bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Infinity. Even hedge funds would like to have that scanner on their desk.
Roman just missed out. Sorry, Roman. I mean, but where do we go? Do we go here? Let's try. What is your target, Roman? What was your target? Help me out here.
Join the live, Roman. Let's be three.
Can I be greedy? 84. That's going to be a long time before we do that in this live stream. I mean, it's a good target, but
Definitely not for today. At least the price should touch the moving average, 200 periods moving average.
yeah, the good part is that it's actually flattening out. So it stopped the drop.
Yeah, there is real target for today. No, I mean maybe for tomorrow.
There's always tomorrow. I hope we drop again to fill my position. No. The live stream is almost over. I need to get out. Let's not go down again. I mean, a quick dip to 65 is okay, I suppose. If we can then hit 69 or 79. But my drawing is over. It's not following it anymore.
It is just a small correction. Don't move it. Don't cheat, Ben.
People tuning in? No. It's like, how did he do that? Well, you can
Don't overpaint.
You can always adjust the candle. I mean, the general theory is there. Like, it's gonna be there, but it's not gonna be this. It's not gonna be at the end of this live stream. But yeah. But Roman, do you think that this was the sweep, or do you think we're gonna sweep lower? We did reach your target for the sweep, but although it's like very tiny. Mm-hmm. This camera's probably still going crazy. Yep. Yep. I mean, to be fair, like it's loading all exchanges. So that should clear it up a lot. But you can see, like, if you trade on multiple exchanges, there's a lot of action across exchanges. And also on multiple time frames, right? Because right now it's just oh, Neoris is dipping again.
That is not a good sign.
It'll be fine, Raffa. It'll be fine. Have faith.
I trust you then.
Touched our break even. Bitcoin always reacts to satanic numbers. Really? Can we go back to 666 then? the true satanic number. I think that'll give you a reaction. Would you buy more if it hit 6,000, or would you think it's over? Rafa?
Me?
Yeah. If it went down to 6,000, would you buy, or
Yeah.
would you sell
Yeah.
everything and buy?
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, there was this Dutch family who did that. They made the news quite often, where they just sold everything. It was after 2017. They sold everything, and now they're just living a incredibly luxury life, because after the 2021 bull run, they multi-millionaires.
They got some insider.
I don't know if it's insider information, but
Yeah.
maybe just enough balls to do it. I mean,
a rare case.
No, I think that there are more people that did that. It's just that this guy, made the news in the Netherlands.
Maybe they want to stay anonymous.
Yeah, I don't think
their privacy.
I don't think. I mean, I can say it easily. Like, I don't like. For me, it's like, what do you want to get out of me? Like, it's not worth it. Like, my amounts are small. Like 18,000. It's paper money. But like, there are others that have like billions. Or like, I mean, I don't know how Vitalik go around in the streets and not get jumped or something. I mean, that would scare me, being that publicly known.
Yeah.
And being that publicly known that you have wallets with that amount in it. I don't know. Maybe it's crazy.
Yeah, but he looks like an alien, so I think he's not human.
He's protected.
yeah, correct.
He gets beamed up if it's.
He doesn't belong to us. Yeah.
Vitalik has been selling Ethereum over the past few days. Wow.
Yeah, I have read that too.
What is he buying? Ripple? Solana?
I think he's just spending some cash and some dollars to travel around the world. But yeah, I also see an interesting chart that we publish on our social media that, like, Bitcoin long-term holder, they are closing the position in loss in these current days.
Do you have a link to that? I can show it.
Sorry?
Do you have a link to that post?
Yeah, I mean, it's on our X channel. So it's quite interesting to see that we are at low level. So the ratio is like under one as a value. That means that the long term holders, for long term, uh, I mean more than 155 days Bitcoin holder, it has reached the lowest level since 2023. So now they are forcing to close their position in loss. That means that at a certain point there will be no more liquidity for down move to continue, and that will be the time to enter long. I mean, there's just my personal view. I want to.
Let's see. Which post is it?
Scroll
Yeah,
down.
we're live.
Oh, it's me. Scroll down. Scroll down a bit more. Yeah, that one. Long-term Bitcoin holders. So as we can see, we have reached the 2023 level, and the value is 0.9. So it's if above one, it means that the holder, long holder, they are closing their operations and trades in profit. If it is below, it means they are losing money. So since 2025 of May, the ratio is falling, and
Yeah,
usually
and
we
the
cannot go
dotted
lower.
line is 0.9, so that means that people are now, like, anything below the dotted line, people are losing money.
Yeah, the long-term holders. So the people that are holding um, Bitcoin for over 155 days. So it's an interesting chart to look at for the long term. So usually, when we reach zero point 0.6 as a value, it means the market really finds a bottom for the downside.
Hmm. Roman is saying Bitcoin's also below the average entry of MicroStrategy, which might
Oh,
bring tough times for Sailor. Well, people say that, right? So that when that happens, then MicroStrategy is in a has huge problems, but because they will get margin calls or whatever. But we don't know when they get margin calls because we don't know how much margin they've got. Like having your average entries, like here, like we're on the water right now, but that's not an issue for us yet. Only when it gets to here, that's when we put our stop loss. But our liquidation here is 0, and our liquidation here is 64. That's when it becomes a problem. But at the moment, we're fine. Like as long as it's not close to his liquidation price, then it's just a matter of like finding more funds to increase your position if you believe in it. But yeah, we're nearing the end of the stream, and it looks like Majoris is gonna give up, and it just depends on Bitcoin. It's gonna go. It's around this line. It's nice.
yeah,
The
yeah,
bands are narrowing, which is good. So we could probably still see the recovery and hit
yeah.
a
It's not hopeless.
It's not hopeless. It's never hopeless.
It's just reacting to the middle moving average of the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, the price is pushing down from the
Yeah, we do need to
middle.
see like a proper close above it.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we might be able to recover. Like how much P&L, like what is the absolute? 2 trades, was it? 4. No, we're 6 down. 7. Yeah, we're 7 down. I think you missed this trade. It's 3
Let
trades.
Yeah, let me
The first
refresh it.
one. I mean, even my mess up is. I effed up in the beginning. I was too excited, like a puppy. Like, I need to get it. I need to get it. I need to get it. Just for the sake of the live stream, I need to get it in trade. And
Oh,
it ended up straight biting me, which is it's okay, I guess. Nails was already reacting to something, but Bitcoin is still delayed.
Okay, Binance Future. Oh, so we did have some profit, but it's a small amount. Or oh no, that is me. That's my account.
No, we had
I mean,
3 trades that were lost.
we have 3 trades, like
2.3, 2.5, and 2.7.
3, 2.5. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So we kind of need them both in profit. I mean, we don't need this much. We don't need that much. We just need the market to finally make its recovery.
Yeah. All right.
But yeah, I think I'll leave the Bitcoin trade on for a little bit longer. It feels safer to be in.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't, like with these ones, I'm just like, if I don't set up any protection, it's just gonna go like pew, done. But with Bitcoin, I doubt it's gonna happen like that.
Yeah, tomorrow Bitcoin will turn green.
Exactly.
At least in the morning. Usually on Asian session, Bitcoin performs good.
All right. Well, I don't think we're gonna wait. We're not gonna see any profit today, unfortunately, not live because it's gonna take too long. So I think we're just gonna have to say goodbye for today, and then invite you, obviously, for the next live streams. We'll be here on tomorrow. Tomorrow, right?
Next week, because we have the macro.
You already had
Monday.
it this week, so next week. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
then we'll be back next week. Well, I will be here again on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Raffa, you'll be here when?
Next week on Friday. So only this week we had special live on Monday to react at the crypto crash. But yeah.
Sounds good. Well, on that note, I wish everyone a pleasant remainder of your day. If it just started, then it's going to be a bit of a longer remainder. But for us, for me and Raffa, it'll be, well, for Raffa, it's even later than for me. But we're going to be enjoying our off time. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again on the next stream.
Bye.